Would you do PRINTJAM again?
Yes, I definitely would.
I 100% would do PRINTJAM again, and I would recommend it to so many of my friends. And great experience.
Yes, like definitely. So it's kind of corny, but I've told my family like
100% I would do PRINTJAM again. It's a great opportunity. You get to make very expensive products for free, and you get to play with all the equipment here.
And like your imagination is kind of limitless in this environment because you know there are so many different applications with all the different printers.
So what I learned from PRINTJAM is sometimes people that aren't actually technically focused, or they don't have the knowledge of how you actually make it and so on, aren't really constrained by that, and that way they actually able to come up with better ideas.
I think my favorite part about PRINTJAM was that I got to meet new people. There's architecture students, we had an engineer, we had a business person, just a whole bunch of different people that kind of helped in that design process. And now these people are my friends, and it's pretty cool.